बेदी आंटी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, प्लीज कम ओवर। मृदु आंटी, am I audible? Mridhu aunty?
Uncle, yes, I have unmuted myself and my camera is on. I hope I'm visible and audible both. Can you confirm, please, Uncle?
Yes, it is visible and you are audible. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Uncle. Jai Guruji. गुरुजी की चरणों में कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। आई हुई संगत के चरणों में कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। और मैं आज गुरुजी के महासमाधि दिवस के दिन क्या कहूँ, मैं दुखी हूँ या मैं क्या महसूस कर रही हूँ। मुझे ऐसे लगता ही नहीं है कि गुरुजी यहाँ हैं या कहीं पर भी नहीं है। गुरुजी की प्रेजेंस, जब से गुरुजी ने मुझे 2013 में जोड़ा है, तब से मैं गुरुजी की प्रेजेंस को कॉन्स्टेंटली अपने अंदर और अपने अराउंड महसूस करती हूँ। चाहे वो अमृत वर्षा के द्वारा गुरुजी ने दर्शन दिए हों, या फिर अपनी फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ एंड ऑन गुरुजी दिखाकर, या फिर ओम दर्शन देकर किसी भी तिलक में, किसी भी टीके में, या फिर एकदम से ठंडी ब्रीज आना, किसी ना किसी तरीके से गुरुजी हमेशा, जब भी उनको याद किया है, वो हमेशा हाजिर रहे हैं। और गुरुजी तो वो लाइट हैं, वो लाइट ऑफ डिविनिटी हैं, जो कि ना मतलब who cannot be created nor can be destroyed. So what can I say about Guruji? I don't know, I'm sad or happy or what. Guruji is very much there inside me and outside, everywhere. So मेरे कुछ भाव थे, मैंने 4 लाइन में लिखे हैं, वो मैं थोड़ा सा पढ़ के सुनाना चाहूंगी। जो मेरे उद्गार हैं वो मैं जरा सुनाऊंगी, अगर आज्ञा हो तो।
आंटी प्लीज कैरी ऑन।
ओके अंकल। वो दिल वो जुबान कहाँ से लाऊं, जो गुरुजी तेरे गुण गाऊं। बस में नहीं सदगुरु मेरे, कर पाऊं वडियाइयां तेरी। स्वर्ग बनाया घर को मेरे, खुशियां भर दी झोली में मेरी। काया कंचन कर दी तूने, मेरे प्यारे सदगुरु जी, शुक्राना ही शुक्राना। जब कोई नहीं था संग मेरे, तब तूने थामे हाथ मेरे। जब अपने भी हो गए थे पराए, तब गुरुजी तुम साथ में आए। मैं नीवी मूर्ख थी नादा, ऐसे तो नहीं थे मेरे भागा। पकड़ा मेरा हाथ है तूने, मेरे प्यारे सदगुरु, शुक्राना ही शुक्राना। और बस यही है अरदास मेरी, छोड़ न देना बाह मेरी। सदा रहना अनसंग गुरुजी, चरणों में रखना गुरुजी। वक्त रुखसती का जब आए, तुमको ही बस सामने पाए। भक्ति का वरदान यही दो, मेरे प्यारे गुरुजी, शुक्राना ही शुक्राना। और ये मेरे भाव हैं, जो मैंने गुरुजी ने ही मुझसे लिखवाया था कि मैं आज के दिन गुरुजी को अर्पित करना चाह रही थी। और अब आगे बढ़ते हुए मैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर नॉन, सुरेश अंकल ने बताया था कि नॉन संगत भी हैं जो गुरुजी से शायद जुड़े हुए नहीं हैं, तो उनके लिए थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि ये टॉपिक मिला है मुझे डिविनिटी एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी के बारे में बोलने के लिए, तो मैं थोड़ा सा आई वुड लाइक टू स्पीक अ लिटिल। सो व्हाट इज डिविनिटी? Like for me, this word has only one connotation, which is Guruji Maharaj. For me, divinity starts with his name and ends there. Guruji's vachans are divinity, following them is spirituality. Guruji's satsang and Shabad Bani is divinity, listening to them और उन्हें आत्मसात करना is spirituality. Langar Prashad, Bade Mandir, Guruji's Swaroop, his dreams, his fragrance, all this is divinity to me. And getting connected to all this is spirituality to me. So spirituality is a way of life, and that divinity our Guruji came to teach us. सत्संग, सेवा, सिमरन, बंदा बन, ये गुरुजी के वचन थे। ये ही जो 3-4 शब्द हैं, गुरुजी बहुत ज्यादा बोलते नहीं थे, बहुत शॉर्ट में बोलते थे, लेकिन बहुत ज्यादा गूढ़ अर्थ होता था। There used to be a deep meaning. I think I'm supposed to speak in English and I went, sorry uncle. So the term divinity derived from the word divine or godly or supernatural or the universal power. Divinity is the spirit of benevolence, the desire to see everyone happy, elated, lacking grief. That bhavana is divinity, which is what Guruji Maharaj did for us. When the inner spirit of the mankind gets evolved into higher spiritual realms, is when we become different from other creatures in this universe. And we must thank the divine rishis who gave the spiritual culture to the mankind. The literature, art, science, all these are spirits of benevolence that lead to spiritual ideology. Now, what is that spiritual ideology? It is Atma Moksham Jagat Hitam, which is ascribed to Shiva, the first yogi, meaning for the liberation of soul and elevation of consciousness. So the closer you come to the spiritual ideology, the closer you get to the spiritual benevolence. And the closer you get to the spiritual benevolence, the closer you get to the divinity. So now what is spirituality? Spirituality is making peace with the universe, understanding and accepting the facts that they are, and trying to live in harmony with our surroundings and being less reactive to the happenings around us. Also getting rid of the monkey mind. So monkey mind is a mind which is very chanchal, which moves, it doesn't focus anywhere. It can't meditate. It can't be at one place. And when we connect to Guruji, we have to be very focused. We have to focus all our entire being to Guruji's charan. So getting rid of monkey mind. Spirituality involves questions like, what is thought? What is ego? Where did the universe come from? Why am I here? What is reality? And so on. Spirituality doesn't mean that you follow a certain belief system as it is in being religious. Like in being religious, you are bound to believe a certain belief system. But in spirituality, you have to unlearn whatever you have been earned. You have to ask questions. So we relate materialism with let's take an example of materialism. We relate materialism with the purpose of life. And most of us accept whatever information is given to us, no questions asked. We feel that the aim of our life is to gain materially, 4 cars, 2 houses, 2 flats somewhere, and a lot of jewelry, a lot of bank balance. That is not the purpose of our life. That is not the spiritual journey that the divine wants us to live. So that's where the role of divinity steps in. And when we probe deeper about the truth of the universe, we find about a divine power creating, nurturing, and destroying the universe. So the divinity is that supreme power that controls the universe. And that is our Guruji. There is one light that is the source of divinity, and that is Mahashiv or our Guruji Maharaj. So when we connect to Guruji, we connect to the divinity, and we are on our spiritual path, which we are meant to be as humans. So Guruji is, or the Almighty is omnipresent, omnipotent, and omniscient. We all know that. And as old Sangats and many Sangats have told, that Guruji used to be omnipresent. He used to be present at more than one place. He had the power to be present at more than one places at one time. So divinity for me is Guruji and only Guruji, and following his vachans and the seva, satsang, and simran, spirituality for me. And last but not the least, I want to thank the Shukrana Multilingual Group, which was founded by Suresh Vasan uncle, and with the support of Dr. Neelam Singh auntie. This, with the Guruji's blessings, this page is doing wonders. Suresh uncle is working day and night. I've seen him work day and night. And he is spreading Guruji, so much blessings of Guruji around among so many Sangats in so many languages, which is really commendable. I'm sure Guruji must be watching over you, Suresh uncle, and Dr. Neelam auntie, and he must be blessing you both. And I thank Guruji Maharaj and both of you and the Shukrana team for giving me an opportunity to speak up my mind on these 2 topics and on Guruji Maharaj on such a great day, Mahasamadhi Divas. It's a very divine day. So with this, I end my thing, and thank you so much. Thank you once again. Shukrana Guruji Maharaj. Shukrana.
Thank you very much, Mridhu auntie. You have beautifully explained diversified aspects related to divinity and spirituality in a beautiful way. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I request Ekta Sharma auntie to please come over. Ekta Sharma auntie.